Hey guys, my name is Pedro and welcome back to another great video in which we are going to review the testnet campaign of Full Force. The Full Force is an innovative platform which is fueled by the concept of force. It is an energy with the potential to spark projects that shape the future. It's not just about community engagement, it's a futuristic and a gamified approach that's all about creating an interactive and rewarding experience. So, get ready for an exciting journey. The testnet campaign is coming your way in the first week of September. The main goal of the testnet campaign is to enable users to accumulate points by successfully completing a series of tasks, which will subsequently translate into valuable rewards. The campaign will guarantee the rewards to the initial of 5,000 participants who effectively finish and submit all the specified tasks, given the 24-hour head start allocated to the pre-testnet key holders. It is projected that approximately 2,500 slots will remain available for the public. During the full force testnet, users can engage with tasks, missions, rewards, and other elements that mirror the actual platform. It's hands-on opportunity for participants to get a feel of how the full force will work, test its mechanics, and contribute valuable insights that help them enhance its performance. Now, here on the website, they say that the Full Force team has been building Web3 communities since early 2016, which is channeling millions of people to engagement platforms. They are experienced and they build Full Force, which is Web3, the most effective engagement system. You can sign up by placing your email to be the first to know when they are going to launch. If we talk about the community growth machine, they haven't spent a single penny on any advertisement on Twitter or Facebook ad, which already speaks about the natural growth of the Full Force. They are using 100% marketing budget for community rewards. Now, if we talk about how the Full Force works or what is its mechanics, here's how Full Force works. First of all, join Full Force. It's just like joining a club. You create your own special space called the Mission Control Center. It's easy. You can create it in just a few clicks. Secondly, create missions. Imagine creating fun missions for others like exciting challenges. People love completing tasks. Thirdly, get people excited. Make things even more exciting. When people finish tasks, they get cool rewards. It's like earning points for playing games. Then, keep everyone active. Imagine if every day felt like a game. We do that. Everyone stays active and involved with fun campaigns. Then, get support. Sometimes we need a little help to grow. We sell special tokens to raise money and make their platform even better. It's like creating a game where everyone wins, with missions, rewards, and a lot of fun. In a Web3 landscape where sustainability is paramount, Full Force has redefined the game. They are not just creating engagement, they are incubating passionate communities that invest in success. The potential is boundless, and the Full Force approach is revolutionary. If we talk about their ecosystem, it's a virtual cycle growth. In the Web3 community, people are always searching for new chances to invest. The Full Force system links them to exciting projects, making it possible for everyone to thrive collectively. So, here's how they do it. First of all, testing for tokens. By testing things out, you can actually earn tokens. It's a win-win situation. You help them, they reward you. Secondly, engagement rewards. When you get involved and engage with their platform, they make sure you get rewards. It's their way of saying thanks for being an active part of their community. Then, promotions and compensation. You can even earn compensation through promotions. Your efforts don't go unnoticed. Then, investing in new ventures. And if you're looking to invest in exciting new projects, their ecosystem is the place to be. They bring you interesting opportunities that can shape the future. If we see the article of Full Force Testnet on Medium, it says that the Full Force Testnet isn't just about testing. It's complete experience where every participant will be rewarded by joining the testnet. You can earn Force token Airdrop, FP points, Force parses, stablecoin, unique skins, boosting tickets, and loot boxes. They are unveiling new Discord roles that promise early access to the testnet. Why is this early access paramount? Getting early access is like getting a front row seat at an exciting event. It's a big deal because it puts you right at the beginning, giving you a special advantage. First of all, you get guaranteed rewards. Early access ensures that you are in the first group of users. This means You are in the line for rewards that are guaranteed for those who fully complete the test challenges. These rewards are exclusive and set aside just for the first 5,000 people who conquer the challenges. Then they have exclusive for the lucky fews. If you're lucky enough to have the special force key, you are in for a treat. You get a 24-hour head start even before everyone else gets access. It's like having a VIP pass to the experience, but remember, there are only 2,500 of these keys available, so it's a real privilege. Moving ahead, what is Full Force? A first look at the power of community engagement and what is the force behind Full Force. Full Force is a unique social gamification platform built around the concept of the player journey. It brings together elements of gaming, community interaction, and real rewards to craft an immersive and captivating experience. You just need to complete your missions, earn force point, and unlock rewards which include campaign prices, unique skins, boosting tickets, etc. Then if we talk about the goals and vision of Full Force, their vision goes beyond bounds. They strive to become the globe's largest, finest, and most groundbreaking social gamification platform. They are on a mission to reshape community engagement, infusing it with fun, rewards, and genuine meaning. Then, moving ahead to Twitter, Full Force have 20,000 plus followers, and you will find many informative tweets here. Like Wilson tweeted about Full Force token airdrop. It explains how you can claim Discord roles that might help you quality for the future airdrop. Then, Mersek tweeted that unlock the power of community incubation with Full Force. A Pre-Testnet campaign is going on their Discord, which include rewards. It talks about the Pre-Testnet campaign. Then, DeFi Preet tweeted that Full Force Testnet isn't just about testing. It is a complete experience that rewards every user, as we already discussed in the video. By joining the testnet, you can unlock amazing rewards like Force tokens, FE points, Force parcels, stablecoin, and more. Now, moving to the Discord channel. Here you get all the information about the Full Force. If you click on the campaign section, you will find the links for the external campaigns. The link will lead you to the Zelia site. Here you can see all the quests available like Force Harmony, Interstellar Twitter Burst, What Does Force Means to You, Force Multiplier, and many more. Then, on the Discord, you can see the Force keys secured by the people. So, don't waste time and get top of the line. So, that's all for today's video. I will place all their social media links in the video description, and I will see you guys in the next one shortly. Stay tuned.